Mga kuya and ate, please rise. By the power vested in me as the Governor of Southern Tagalog Region 1, this STR1 induction of new members is now adjourned.
First, would help for the newly inducted additional member. This is where your journey start as an eagle. Soar high, mga kuya at ate. Mabuhay ang agila. Cheers!
Why? Cheers!
Love, service for the good of all humanity. Where eagles, the Philippine eagles, lasting peace, a noble nation. Where eagles, spread to all people, pillars of the nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity.
Applicants, I state your name. Having consciously and pre-applied to be a member of State Your Club, a club duly affiliated to the fraternity.
Therefore, you must respect and support each other as brothers in this fraternity, the Philippine Eagles. Obey the Constitution at all times. Love God with all your heart. Develop and exercise the spirit of Alalayang Agila. Show good example to your community because we are law-abiding citizen and equip your
This one person and stand for all for strength and power, integrity.
dito ka.
Let our hearts be proud and free. Take my hand and come with me where eagles fly for liberty.
Joel Villanueva.
And justice, equality, for God and hope. Faced with the zeal of human care, we will share our lives to keep our liberty. We're eagles, the Philippine eagles, lasting peace, a noble nation. We're eagles, spread to all people.
Orientation seminar for Orients given by the Philippine Eagle Institute of Leadership conducted on 11th day May 2025 at Southern Tagalog Region 1 Eagles Nest here at Mendez, Cavite, Philippines. For and behalf of the Philippine Eagles Institute of Leadership under the leadership of Executive PAIL Director Maximo Dondon Alurin,
Pillars of the nation.
all this and made this momentous event possible. He is an architect and a businessman, a responsible father and a loving husband. He is also a member of various other respectable organizations. His track of record as an Eagle is unquestionable. Mga kuya and ate, let's give a warm of applause to Kuya Eagle Governor of Southern Tagalog Region 1, Eagle Governor Angel Oliver Labesi.
So, let's welcome natin ang ating SCR1, Southern Tagalog Region 1, from the Eagle Governor Angelito Olam Besig.
Yee!
On his own award.
Po natin silang lahat. Again, congratulations mga kuya and ate. You may take your seat. Thank you very much.
Diyos at makarayan, nagbibigay sila lakas na kaisipan. Andong dahil ay pagmamahalan, naglilingkod para sa sangkatauhan. Ang agila, Pinoy na agila, inaasam ay kapayapaan. Ang agila, Pinoy na agila, haligi ng ating bayan. Nag-aalay ng kapatiran, magkakaisa kapayapaan. Maglingkod sa kapwa aming nagika, buhay ihahandog ang maging malaya. Ang agila, Pinoy na agila, inaasam ay kapayapaan. Ang agila, Pinoy na agila, haligi ng ating bayan. Nag-aalay ng kapatiran, pagkakaisa kapayapaan. Maglingkod sa kapwa aming nagika, buhay ihahandog upang maging malaya.
God-loving men for country's sake, offer strength and mind and energy. We dedicate fraternal love, service for the good of all humanity. We're Eagles, the Philippine Eagles, lasting peace, our noble mission. We're Eagles, spread to all people, pillars of a nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. Blessed with zeal of human care, we will share our lives to all humanity. We're Eagles, the Philippine Eagles, lasting peace, our noble mission. We're Eagles, friends to all people, pillars of the nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. Blessed with zeal of human care, we will share our lives to keep our liberty.